It may be a little warm to think about fall, but here are 2 ideas that will get you into the fall weather mood. Stay tuned. Apples for the fall go hand in hand, especially with this apple croissant bake. But let's go back and do this recipe step by step together. I went to the bakery and I got some loaves of French bread that was pre-sliced. It made it very easy and I was able to layer it on top of each other. Next, I selected about 6 eggs, and this is the base for your bake, which is obviously like French toast. We added cream, some vanilla extract, and I was very heavy-handed on the cinnamon. What can I say? I really like cinnamon. You want to mix it together. Make sure it's blended really well. You'll start to smell it and it smells amazing. And we poured this over the first layer of the French bread. Make sure you cover it all. Next, I took the croissants. I sliced those in half and I layered them on top of what was already in the pan. I poured another layer of the liquid batter, making sure to cover as much as I could. I then added fresh slices of apple, some butter, and cinnamon. You want to give the croissant bake some time to settle. From there, I grabbed my mini bundt pans and I greased the pan really well. And honestly, I used a box cake mix. I doctored it up a little bit and added extra egg and butter instead of oil. And of course, a cup of sour cream. And then I layered it into the bundt pan. Pretty easy. Pop the mini bundt cakes in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and I think they came out really cute. I ended up selecting these mini glass dessert dishes, and the bundt cakes fit perfectly inside. I had the option to add frosting or powdered sugar. I thought the powdered sugar looked really nice, and not everybody likes frosting, so I decided to do a light coating on each of the mini bundt cakes with powdered sugar. And I went a little bit extra and added some gold flakes. Now it's time to take out the apple bake, and it looks and smells amazing. I whipped up some homemade cream cheese frosting and drizzled it on the top. Didn't want to put too much just because some people don't like that much frosting. I, on the other hand, love cream cheese frosting. Time to cut your slice while it's warm. And this might be one of my favorite kitchen tools, the gold spatula. I picked that up from Target. The pan is from HomeGoods, and the tablecloth, that also is from HomeGoods. Time to enjoy. So like I said, I love adding a little bit of extra cream cheese frosting. Nothing wrong with that. And then if you have some additional toppings like I did, you can add like roasted almonds or pecans. I even added some more powdered sugar just to give it a French toast look. Add your drink garnishes, and you are ready to set the table.